People have been asking me forever how to make this ribbon wig that was in the background of my intros for a very, very long time. And today I'm finally gonna show you how to do it, and I'm even gonna show you how to make the beanie that goes underneath out of an old t-shirt. It's an inexpensive project that is gonna totally up your Halloween game. Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making the coolest ribbon wig, and we're putting it all together with my Surebonder glue gun. Now this is a wig made out of curling ribbon, and it's perfect for cosplay or your next Halloween costume, and that's coming up pretty quick. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hi, and I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a ribbon wig.
Use any old t-shirt to make your skull cap, or if you're in a cold climate during Halloween, use a close-fitting knit cap. You can find large rolls of curling ribbon at almost any 99-cent store or any party store. The best part about my Surebonder glue guns is that they don't drip like cheaper glue guns. You definitely don't want to drip hot glue on your ribbons while you're working. I'm using a dark blue t-shirt so you can see exactly how I'm making the wig. But if you're making a pink wig, you might consider using a pink skull cap or a pink t-shirt to make your skull cap. Why not mix in some feathers, yarn, or even some faux flowers? These wigs are cheap and cheerful and an inexpensive addition to any costume.
I love Surebonder, and I'm going to leave a link in the description to everything I used for this project and to all of my favorite Surebonder products. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books, I think you'll like them. I'm going to leave a link below for those as well, and I will see you next week. Bye!